we have pleasure in presenting a dividend cheque to the ministry for precisely $1,226,124. I would add that I'm hoping that we can present a similar cheque before May this year as well, for the subsequent year. So it's been a period when we've been consolidating operations with capex spending on fencing, stockyards, and subdivision of the estate into 4 operating subunits, making for better management of the stock. And also I would add that we now have the largest sheep herd in Fiji. I think it's 900 head of sheep, and cattle sales in December alone were about $70,000. So sheep is becoming a rising star on our estate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Chairman. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of the other board members of YPCL, Simon Cole, Sant Kumar, Mr. Sant Kumar, and Arthur Thomas, who are here with us today, and also the CEO, Elizabeth Talida. Of course, Yaqara Pastoral has progressed comparatively really well in terms of the performance of the yesteryears. As the chairman highlighted, that we expect to get another dividend later on this year, before around about May, for the audited accounts for 2011. This relates to the audited accounts of 2010. The 2011 accounts have already been audited, and we're going through the processes, and we hope to get a similar amount, if not greater, for the month of for the year of 2011. As has been highlighted by the chairman, the mix of livestock that's available on the farm now is changing somewhat compared to when the Yaqara Pastoral started off. It was predominantly cattle, and now we've got in a way exponential growth in the sheep numbers, and that's proving to be very much an attractive proposition. And of course it does provide impetus for many of the other private owners of farms who can get into sheep farming also. There's a number of other proposals that Yaqara Pastoral is looking in terms of expanding its operations or consolidating its operations, and we look forward to that and for them to work together with the Ministry of Public Enterprise to ensure that the Yaqara Pastoral continues to provide and indeed improve upon the services that it's currently providing. Thank you.